Hello everyone. In today's video, we are starting with the population part 2, that is demographic transition. There is a close relation between population growth rate and economic development. Due to development in economic condition, natality as well as mortality decline. That means birth rate as well as death rate decreases. It results in low growth rate in developed countries, and this process is known as demographic transition. It means demographic transition is the decrease of population growth rate due to favorable economical condition. Okay. After that, demographic transition occurs in 4 stages due to development in industrialization and consequent urbanization. From those 4 stages, first stage is pre-industrial phase. Pre-industrial phase means harsh living condition leads to the high birth rate. But at the same time, because of harsh living condition, the medicinal facilities are not developed, and that's why infant mortality is very high. At the same time, the death rate is also high. So in this situation, pre-industrial phase, the population growth is very low. ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, इन्फेंट जो है बहुत ज्यादा बर्थ रेट है, बट इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी ज्यादा है और डेथ रेट भी ज्यादा है, उसकी वजह से लो पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट है. सेकेंड फेज इज ट्रांजिशनल फेज. It is the phase of beginning of industrialization. Food production increases, the medicinal facilities increases, healthcare improves, and the birth rate and death rate drop because of the improved medicinal facilities. And it means in this rate the population is high because birth rate increases as well as death rate is also increases. India and Saudi Arabia are the countries are in this phase. यहाँ पे birth rate, death rate दोनों बढ़ रहे हैं, उसके वजह से population जो है बढ़ेगा. Third one is the industrial phase. Industrial phase means when the industrialization is widespread throughout the nation, that is industrial spread. In this industrial phase, both the birth rate as well as death rate, they are constant, and birth rate declines, infant mortality rate is also decline. So many reasons behind that. For the flat graph of birth rate, the medical facilities are improved, better access to birth control, then the hygiene improves, and the improve in job opportunities for the female, so the female can take the decision of family control. After that, there is a huge investment in child education, so people prefer the less number of kids. ठीक है. तो ये स्टेज में क्या हो रहा है कि बहुत ज्यादा तुम्हारा बर्थ रेट है कम हो रहा है, और डेथ रेट भी यहाँ पे जो है वो कम हो रहा है. तो ये एक स्टैग्नेंट ग्राफ हमको मिलेगा. तो इन मोस्ट ऑफ द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज आर नाउ इन दिस स्टेज. दिस स्टेज इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय द सडन ड्रॉप इन बर्थ रेट एंड डेथ रेट. इसका बेसिक एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं. चाइना एंड इंडोनेशिया आर द कंट्री इन दिस फेज. नेक्स्ट वन इज द पोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल फेज. पोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल फेज जो है एकदम सिंपल है. इस फेज में द ग्राफ इज वेरी कांस्टेंट. इट इज पैरेलल बिकॉज बर्थ रेट एंड डेथ रेट आर पैरेलल, एंड द कांस्टेंट ग्राफ इज फॉलोड. मोस्ट ऑफ द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज आर इन दिस कैटेगरी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा एजुकेटेड लोग होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा फैसिलिटीज होती है, तो बर्थ कंट्रोल जो है वो उनके बर्थ रेट जो है वो कंट्रोल करते हैं, एज वेल एज उनका डेथ रेट भी जो है वो कंट्रोल रहता है. तो एक कांस्टेंट वहां पे हमको एक फेज मिल रहा है. तो दोज आर द फेज ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज द पिरामिड. आफ्टर डेमोग्राफिक ट्रांजिशन we switch on to next point, that is population pyramid. The population pyramid is a plot of number of people belonging to the various age group. Population pyramid is an important feature to understand a country's demographic situation. This information is very useful for the government to plan for its improvement. Pyramid for developing countries. In this type of population pyramid, there is a large number of young population, and the proportion of old people is very less. Second one is the pyramid for developed country. In this type of pyramid, the birth rate and death rate both are low. As you can see in this pyramid, birth rate as well as death rate both are low. Third one is the urn-shaped population pyramid. In this type of pyramid, the proportion of pre-reproductive age group population is very small in comparison to the people belonging to the reproductive age group. This represents the countries in the post-industrial phase. The last point of population growth is migration of people. As we know, migration is nothing but the movement of people from one place to another place. There are several factors which influence the migration of people. First one is the unemployment. Second, economical instability, then low salary, then political instability, lack of freedom and lack of medicinal facilities, discrimination, low standard of living. All those are the factors which influence the people to move from one place to another place. Nowadays we are observing the main or live example of this migration of people. So many people are migrated from Maharashtra to the other state because they are the migrant for our state for the several purposes. They are here for the job purposes. So this is a live example of migration of people. In this chapter we have to discuss several points. Next point is the rural and urban settlement. अब तक हमने क्या देखा? पॉपुलेशन का हमने पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट कंप्लीट कर दिया है. तो इन दिस पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट आपको वीडियो में पूरा देखना है पॉइंट वाइज, क्योंकि रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस मैं इसके बाद के वीडियो में आपको सेंड करने वाली हूँ. तो एक लास्ट मैसेज के साथ मैं ये वीडियो ख़त्म करना चाहूँगी. घर में रहिए, सेफ रहिए, और जब तक आपका कॉलेज नहीं शुरू हो रहा है आपको कम से कम लोगों के साथ कनेक्टेड रहना है और हेल्दी रहिए. थैंक यू.